This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz. Opportunity knocks. 5.33 acre property with tear-down house provides wonderful development potential. Leave a wall up and remodel rather than starting from scratch, or you decide what's next. The value here is in the land and existing utility connections and the fantastic proximity to I-5, 2 US/Canada border crossings and the beaches of Birch Bay. Water service already paid for and provided by Birch Bay Water. Buyer to verify all details to their satisfaction. For more information, review the details below or contact Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz at 360-815-0803.